Production and Manufacturing. Fitter. Basic fitting. Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to drill through holes using pedestal and bench drilling machines. Operate safely the pedestal and bench drilling machines. Determine the tapping hole diameter. Cut internal threads using a set of hand taps. Let us see the job sequence now. Check the raw material for any cracks or damages in it. Mark the dimensions clearly as per the drawing. And punch the center of the hole with center punch. Fix the job on the machine vise. Set the spindle speed for 4 mm drill. 4 mm drill can be used as a pilot for all the holes. Use coolant while drilling. Drill and finish all the holes as per the drawing. Chamfer both sides of the holes to be tapped with 16 mm dia drill to a depth of 1 mm. Use drift to remove the drill chuck and tapper shank drill from drilling machine spindle. Never hammer it out. Adjust the RPM of the spindle to suit the diameter of the drill. This chapter helps you to drill holes of different diameters using a drilling machine. Set the job in the machine vise securely by using 2 parallel bars to clear the drill. Fix the drill chuck into the spindle of the drilling machine. Fix the 4 mm dia drill in the drill chuck for pilot hole. Drill all the holes first by 4 mm drill. This will serve as a pilot hole for 8.5 mm, 10 mm and 16 mm dia drills. Replace the 4 mm drill with an 8.5 mm and 16 mm drills for the respective holes. Remove the drill and drill chuck. Select the spindle speed by shifting the belt in the appropriate cone pulleys. Remember to change the spindle speed for different mm drills. Tapping through holes. Objective: to cut internal threads using hand taps. Determine the tap drill size either using the formula or the table. Drill the hole to the required tap drill size. Remember, an undersized hole will lead to breakage of the tap. Chamfer the end of the drilled hole for easy aligning and starting of the tap. Hold the key firmly and horizontally in the vise. Fix the first tap in the correct size tap wrench. Too small a wrench will need a greater force to turn the tap. Very large and heavy wrenches will not give the feel required to turn the tap as it cuts and may lead to breakage of the tap. Position the tap in the chamfered hole vertically by ensuring the wrench is in a horizontal plane. Exert Steady downward pressure and turn the tap wrench slowly in the clockwise direction to start the thread. Hold the tap wrench close to the center. Remove the wrench from the tap when you are sure of starting the thread without disturbing the setting. Check and make sure that the tap is vertical by using a tri-square in two positions at 90 degrees to each other. Make correction if necessary by exerting slightly more pressure on the opposite side of the tap inclination. Check the tap alignment again. The tap alignment should be corrected within the first few turns. If it is tried afterwards, there is a chance of breaking of the tap. By holding at the ends without exerting any downward pressure after the tap is positioned vertically. The wrench pressure exerted by the hands should be well balanced. Any extra pressure on one side will spoil the tap alignment and can also cause breakage. Continue cutting the thread. Turn backwards frequently, about a quarter turn, to break the chips. Stop and turn backwards when any obstruction to the movement is felt. Make sure that the dia of the hole to be tapped is correct for the given size of the tap. Turn backwards to break the chip after every quarter turn. Use a cutting fluid while cutting the thread to minimize friction and heat. Remove the chips from the work and clean the tap with a brush.